Okay, now I told you in the last session we will use module here from hereafter. So the module we'll be using to learn all the upcoming concepts is called Turtle. It's called Turtle. Okay. Now what this module does is it is used to actually draw something. Turtle is a module which can be used to draw something. So the upcoming sessions we'll be learning all concepts by drawing. I told you already in the beginning, we'll be learning this whole Python course by drawing things. So this module is very important for this course. We'll be using this module to draw different things and learn concepts. Okay. So how this works is this basically helps to create a pen and a screen. To draw something, all you need is a pen and a paper, right? You need a pen and a paper. Now here we need a screen and an object to draw. So first thing I should do is I should have a paper or a screen. Let me name it as paper. So this is how I create a paper or a screen. I'm naming this paper. Okay. And you create by giving this command turtle dot screen. So those who have seen the last video on modules, what you can understand from this is this turtle is actually the module name. This screen is a function which is inside turtle. It's a function or a class. It might be a class. Okay, which is inside turtle. It's a class basically. So this paper is an object. Those who know OOPS concepts, you will understand this. For those who's not who's new to OOPS concepts, you can just understand it like this command creates a screen and the name of the screen is paper. This is your wish. It can be anything. It can be paper, or it can be board, or it's up to you. So whatever name you want to give, you can give it. I'm just naming it as paper. Okay. And then you need an object to draw, right? A pen or pencil or something. So let me name it as pen itself. I'm naming it as pen, and you give it by using this command turtle dot turtle. Okay. So this command actually creates a pen or an object to draw, and you should make note this S and this T is capitals. Okay. Now this T and this T are different. This T is small, which means this is a module name. This T is capitals, which means it's a class inside this module. Okay, the turtle has a class called turtle. So you're creating an object called pen, belongs to the model turtle. Okay. Now after you run this program, you should be able to see a screen being created, along with it an object which will draw something. Okay, let me run this and show you. See, so this is a screen which has been created. You can see Python turtle graphics, and this is the object which is going to draw. We'll be using this object. It's basically an arrow mark. It can be many things. You can actually build in, you can bring in an actual turtle shaped object, a turtle object, or there are other objects too, like dot and everything, but this is okay for us. So this arrow mark is going to draw us things. Okay. So okay, let me draw something and show you. To make it draw, all you have to do is you have to make the pen move forward, right? So this command forward in brackets, you can see it gives the thing as distance. If I give 100, this pen will move forward 100 steps. You can see this pen here, this one. If I run this program, you should see this this thing moving forward 100 steps. Oh, see, so this is moved 100 steps forward, and you can even make it turn right, pen dot right, and right means you have to give angle. Okay, forward takes the parameters as number of steps, and right takes the parameters of angle at which it has to turn. Let's say I want to turn 60 degree. I'll turn 60 degree and make this rotate and stand. See, I'm running this. See, it has rotated and turned. It stands rotated. Now let's say I'm moving another 100 steps forward. And if you run this, you should be able to see. So it is actually move forward, then turn right 60 degrees, and then move forward again 100 steps. Let's say I want to draw a square. What I should do is I should rotate 90 degrees, and I should do this 4 times, right? See, what this will do is it will move for 100 steps, then turn 90 degrees, then move for 100 steps, then 90, forward 100, 90, and then forward. So if I run this program, I should be able to see a square being drawn. See? So this program, what it does is, the arrow was here in the beginning. It moves for 100 steps, turns 90 degrees, then moves for 100 steps, again turns 90 degrees, forward, right, then forward. So this is a simple program which can draw you a square. We will update on this on the next video.